Welcome to the Elon Daily News. This podcast is created by generative AI. Today is 19th October 2024. We'll dive into the latest happenings surrounding Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink. Remember, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. The content here reflects news items in public media and does not represent our opinions. Elon Musk's future coalition PAC is making waves with its controversial advertising strategy targeting Muslim and Jewish voters. In Michigan, the PAC suggests Vice President Kamala Harris is aligned with Israel, influenced by her Jewish husband. Meanwhile, in Pennsylvania, she's labeled as anti-Semitic. This dual messaging raises ethical questions about manipulating voter sentiments. Another Musk-funded PAC is targeting black voters with Snapchat ads, claiming Harris wants to ban menthol cigarettes. This approach has been criticized as the most cynical of the 2024 election cycle. The PAC is backed by Building America's Future, which receives substantial funding from Musk. Elon Musk is offering $100 to Pennsylvania voters to sign a petition supporting the First and Second Amendments. This initiative, in collaboration with Cards Against Humanity, aims to gather 1 million signatures in swing states. The offer is structured to avoid accusations of vote buying, focusing on free speech and gun rights. In the wake of Hurricane Helene, Elon Musk's offer of free Starlink terminals to Asheville residents turned out to be misleading. Residents faced costs for equipment and subscription fees after 30 days. Musk's claims of FEMA obstruction were refuted, highlighting a gap between his promises and the reality on the ground. The European Union is considering including revenue from Musk's companies like SpaceX and Neuralink when calculating fines for X under the Digital Services Act. This could significantly increase potential penalties. Musk has vowed to contest any fines, arguing that X's operations are distinct from his other ventures. Tesla's reputation in Australia is suffering, with sales dropping as potential buyers are put off by Elon Musk's public persona. A YouGov survey shows a decline in Tesla's brand health, coinciding with Musk's acquisition of Twitter and his political views. This trend is mirrored in the US, affecting Tesla's sales. Daniel Francis, founder of AI startup Able, is revolutionizing police report writing with technology that uses body cam footage and dispatch data. Inspired by personal experiences, Francis aims to reduce police paperwork and improve efficiency. Able recently secured $5 million in funding to enhance its AI capabilities. That's all for today's episode of the Elon Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us next time for more updates on Elon Musk and his ventures. Until then, stay informed and curious.